What is hypertext? Now tell me, what is hypertext? Hypertext is what? Now come to the definition of hypertext. Hypertext markup language. What is hypertext markup language? Yesterday did not explain, did not tell you that what is hypertext language. So before going this lecture, okay, going to in deep of this lecture, I need to know that what is hypertext. Who can tell me what is hyper? In the era of web technology, we are in the era of web, where every is actually totally controlled by web. It is totally controlled by a web. So I need to know, what do you mean by hypertext? Every day you are using websites and going on a web and watching on waves, but I need to know, what do you mean by what? Hypertext. What do you mean by hypertext? Hypertext markup language.
It's a language.
It's a language. Hypertext, HTML is a language, but what do you mean by hypertext? Why this is named as hypertext? What do you mean by hyper? Are you hyper personality? Do you have a hyper personality? You have a hyper personality. What is hyper actually? Hyper, the person who doesn't stand at one place. It does not stand at one place. It's just moving here to there. Like your document doesn't stand, at one place. As you click, it jumps to somewhere else. You click, jumps to somewhere else. What's happening in the website? You get a link, click there. Then you're jumping to somewhere else. Then get a link, you're jumping to somewhere else.
Yeah.
So that is the hypertext. A text that takes you somewhere else. The text is marked to switch to other document. And that's what's named as hypertext. The text which is not keeping you at one place, taking you to some other documents, other content also. That's called hypertext markup language. And that is the basic advantage of hypertext markup language. And that's why people, because today I'm not going serially. I have to go and say I'm reading a book. You are reading a book. In case you don't have an index, and then you're going by serial index page. You're just shifting the pages, okay, and then seeing where the document is actually. But here you have to go to certain page number or certain paragraph. The link is given to you. Click, you jump to direct that place. So easy. We'll jump to that particular place. That's called hypertext markup language. And this is a basic advantage. You can move in website so quickly. You can go forward, you can come back. You can go in any part of the document as you want. That's called hypertext markup language. Okay. Thus, now after understanding what is hypertext markup language, we need to understand what is the actual history of HTML. Then what are the codes available, how they are grouped, that is very important. What are different groups are there. So some basic groups we have read through just now. Okay, that's called HTML tags and all those things. And there are so many tags are there. There you can see hundred of tags are there.